Have you ever wondered why cars have antennas and what all those signals they pick up actually do? By the end of this video, you're going to understand what that little fin or stick on your car is really for. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something most drivers overlook: the car antenna. It might look simple, but it's doing way more than just bringing you radio stations. In this video, I'll explain how antennas work, the different types you'll see on cars, and what roles they play in your vehicle every day. Let's get into it. 1. What is a car antenna and how it works? A car antenna is a device that picks up wireless signals, radio waves, from outside and sends them into your car's electronics. When those waves hit the antenna, they create small electrical signals that your car's receiver can interpret. That's how your radio tunes into stations and how other systems stay connected. 2. Different types of car antennas. There are several styles you'll see on vehicles. Whip or mast antennas, classic stick-type antennas that catch radio signals. Power antennas, extend or retract automatically when your radio turns on. Shark fin antennas, sleek, low-profile units on modern cars that house multiple antennas inside one housing. Internal antennas, hidden inside glass or panels for a clean look. Each type is designed for specific uses and vehicle technology needs. 3. What antennas do beyond radio? Today's antennas are multi-purpose. They not only bring in AM or FM stations, they also help with GPS navigation, so your maps get accurate location data. Cellular and data signals, improving connectivity for features like in-car internet and telematics. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, supporting wireless connections inside the car. Keyless entry systems, helping your car detect the key fob for locking, unlocking, and push-button start. Modern vehicles can have multiple antenna elements integrated into one system to support all of these signals. 4. How to know if your antenna needs replacing. You might need a new antenna if you're noticing poor reception, weak GPS or telematics performance, or if the physical antenna is damaged, bent, or corroded. Replacing or upgrading can improve signal quality and restore lost functionality. Now you know what a car antenna really does, and it's way more than just picking up music stations. It's a key part of your car's communication system, keeping you connected, navigated, and ready to go. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss more tech breakdowns like this. Got questions about antennas or connectivity tech on cars? Drop them in the comments below.